Hello Year 3, welcome to our first maths lesson of the week. We are on to our next unit now, so we're doing some addition and subtraction over the next couple of weeks to practice that skill. So, our first step today, we're going to be adding and subtracting 3 and 2 digit numbers, not crossing 100. So, starting nice and simple today where we don't have to worry about doing any exchanging or carrying or anything like that. So, question number 1, how many lollipops are there in total? So count up the amount of lollipops, write the number down, and add the other number to it. Again, remember to pause on after each question has been read on each page, so then you've got some time to work it out. Some of them will be quicker than others, some might take a little bit of working out, so take as much time as you need to do these questions. Question number 2. Eva has made a number. So she's made this number, it's got that many hundreds, tens, and ones. So what number has Eva made? So write down the number first of all for A. For B, Eva subtracts 40 from her number. Write a subtraction to show what Eva has done. So can you put that into a number sentence? So her number, and then she subtracted 40. So how would I write that as something that subtracts something? Okay, and for part C, so what is the answer to her subtraction? So can you complete that subtraction that you've just written down? Number 3, complete the additions. So you've got some base 10 there. So have a look at the base 10, work out what numbers you've been given, and then add them up and write your answer for A, B, and C. Make sure you label them A, B, and C so that when we come to the answers later on, it's clear for you to know which one's which. Okay. So number 4, use base 10 to help you complete the number sentence. So for question A, 146 plus 30. Then for B, you've got 146 take away 30. And then you've got 146 add 50, subtract 50 equals. So use the place value chart to help you complete the number sentences. So you have been given your number in the place value chart. So you might want to draw that down on a piece of paper, and it can help you to solve the next 6 questions by crossing out some of the numbers. So by crossing out some of the counters, you will be able to work out these questions. Now, you should be able to do this pretty easily without using the place value counters, but if you need to, they are there. Be particularly careful with the last one. I know questions like that do tend to trip us up a little bit. Okay, number 6, complete the calculations. So there you go, you've got A, you have got 4 calculations for that, and then what do you notice? And then B, you've got another 4 calculations there, and what do you notice? So you might notice that's something about your answers. Try and explain, think about, is it something that you notice about the hundreds, tens, ones? What can you see that's similar or different? Number 7, here is a subtraction. So, what mistake has been made? So have a read of that subtraction. What mistake has the person done? So your answer should be a sentence that says, the mistake is, tell them what the mistake is, what should they have done? So what is the right answer to this question? Okay, here we go. Quite a lot of questions for you here, so I won't read them all out. So you'll need to write down from A to L. Make sure you go in the right order and write your answers down. You don't have to do the working out if you don't need to, but it's there if you do. Okay, number 9. So here is a calculation with 3 missing digits. All the missing digits are different. What could the calculation be? How many calculations can you find? So for the first one, you've got 726 plus something, take away something equals 700 and something with a 6. So you need to work out lots of different combinations that you could do. So if you start off, you could go up and put 1 in one and 2 in the other and go up like that. Or you could start at 9 and work your way down. Entirely up to you. Just have a go at working that one out. Make sure all the digits are different. Okay, that's all of our questions today. So quite a lot of questions there, none particularly too tricky because we weren't carrying or exchanging, so it makes it a little bit easier. Okay, so let's have a look at our first one. So I'm not going to talk you through all the answers today. You can see them pretty clearly, so I'll let you pause here and have a look how you've done Down at the bottom, I know they're a little bit less clear because they're in blue. Just make sure that you've paused so you can have a good look at those. Okay, and our final set of answers. There you go. So pause again to have a look at your answers. Okay, that's our first maths lesson for this week then. So again, nice and simple, nice and straightforward. Just getting to refresh our memory on how to solve some addition and subtraction questions. We'll be coming to carrying and exchanging as we go on for the next couple of weeks. So it will get trickier. We will start doing more column method when we need to. So yeah, I will see you again for another maths lesson. See you later.